everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy VBucks on Fortnite using your credit or debit card. So let's get into the video. So open up Fortnite, go to the store there and then just choose the VBucks that you want to buy. So any VBucks, whatever that you wish to purchase, so select that. Okay, once you've selected that, all you have to do is hit on, for example here I'm going to buy these 1000 VBucks, so I'm going to hit on this buy now option here. So this will get you to get your order, and then you'll get to this checkout page here. So on your checkout page here, so if you want to use your debit or credit card, all you have to do is under payment methods you'll have this option called credit card. So simply select the credit card option, and then all you have to do now is plug in your card details that you wish to use for this purchase, your card details. And then once you've done that, and all you have to do is hit on place order, and that's it. Order will be placed through your credit or debit card. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.